Welcome back to Ben Oak's Garage. Today we are working on a 2005 Chrysler Crossfire, and customer says it won't start. It will cut off when it does start after about 5 minutes after it warms up, quote unquote warms up. We've experienced it here, and we narrowed it down to one of two things. The first one, and the most likely, because it cuts out, is what he just pulled out, which is going to be your crank position sensor. And then we're going to replace it with that, start it up, see if it will stay running more than 5 minutes. If that's not the issue, then it's going to be the relay control module, which is right here. It's going to be one of the two, and we went with the cheapest one first. And we're going to see if this thing fires right up and stays running.
To get the crankset position sensor out, just unplug the clip right on top of it, which actually it's probably sitting off to the side. It's right here. Clips in right, I don't know if you can see.
I can't really see it.
That's alright. It's kind of right where my finger is,
Okay.
right behind the motor on the driver's inside.
Got lots of room back there.
Yep. You'll just need about a 3-inch
extension, quarter drive,
a little small ratchet, and an E8 socket.
and you can see it's a specialty socket. And you can see the tip on the inside.
It's a Mercedes.
It's
underneath,
a Mercedes, yeah.
so
Go figure.
it's gonna use Mercedes tools.
Alrighty.
Okay, so we took the old one out and was trying to put the new one in. The new one's tab, it's kind of hard to see. It might just be just a hair longer in length.
So we had to shave
just a little bit of the corner off because it hits the metal shield. And once we shaved that down, it slid right in without any issue.
Alrighty. Well, first thing we got to do is see if it will start. Everything's plugged in now.
Do you have the keys, Charles? Oh.
Well, it's a good sign so far. Look at your hands. Reach down to the same spot over and over again. Well, I got my timer going. It's never made it past 5 minutes so far, so let's see if it makes it past 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Coming up on 3 minutes. Lots of miles on this one. 242,000. Yeah, lots of miles. All right, coming up on 4 minutes. We never made it past 5. 1 more minute to go. We made it 4 minutes. That's a good sign. First we drive to the church and back, and then we go further. Yeah, at least it's empty. All right, we made the 5-minute mark. I smell burning oil. The valve covers are leaking real bad.
Well, you have to take that out. You can see it.
Actually see it fucking
Yeah.
looking it up at.
So, I guess safe to say, go ahead and drive it up to the church and back there, Gideon.
Now remember, it's not a 5-6 speed.
Here we have it. So it's a common issue with these Chrysler Crossfires needing a cam position sensor. So if yours warms up and it dies out, won't start, then yeah, consider replacing it. Thank you for watching.